What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy, and today I got a secret for you. Psst, I'm about to shred some fat. Something you need to know about shredding fat is shredding fat means that you lose fat but not muscle. So to do this, you need to follow some steps. You need to be in a caloric deficit, but only a bit, not a lot. A lot of people make the mistake by going 500 calories below, 700 calories below, even 1000 calories below the maintenance weight. That is too fast and too far in the beginning. In the beginning, I would go maybe 200 or 300 calories below. Make that work for at least a couple of weeks. If that doesn't work, implement some other tools. Don't just go jumping in a caloric deficit without knowing what it does to your body. Because the body is like a machine and your calories are like the fuel. In order to go and maintain your target, you need some fuel. But if you end up putting less and less fuel in your engine, it's not going to go far. So if you want to see my journey on losing and shredding some fat, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and let's get cooking. I'm gonna make a special meal prep for you guys today. Now, as always, I'm gonna prep my meals like I always do, but something is different. Usually I go through the process of chopping everything and making sure that you see everything I do. Today, everything is chopped and we only need to prep the meals. I'm gonna focus more on meals and not the ingredients. I'm also gonna drop everything down below in the description box so you don't need to go through the video every single time if you wanna make this meal prep. Ready? Because let's get prepping. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this was literally it. 3,000 calories, done like that. It is one of the easiest meal preps I'll do for you. It's easy, clean eating, and really delicious overall. Now for you who might be eating 2,500 or 2,200 calories, this won't help you cut. No, it will help you bulk. If you want to bulk on a clean level, this will be it for you. But if you're like me, who eats 3,500 calories in order to maintain my muscle mass and my body weight, this will be it. But for now, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and I'll see you next time.